Okay, we are out here working on the hay wagon, and first probably ½ inch has some rot on the top, but we're going to do some work on that and fix it, pull these rails back where they're supposed to be. And we're contemplating, we've already taken off a bunch of rotten wood and we've cut this other. We're contemplating whether we're going to put down all new treated deck or not. So we'll have to figure that out, I guess. Her vote is
to redo the hilltop.
it's a lot of boards. I already picked up a lot of boards, but I got more boards I need to pick up. All right, it is September 20th, and here is what's left of our hay wagon. We just took all the boards off. They were so rotten. You can see, look how rotten those were. They were just breaking. So, we've saturated this in oil. This has some rough cut timbers that have been on there for ages. And the top has a little bit of rot on it, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna stick with the timbers though. And then we've got all kinds of, if you look at it, treated lumber and decking, and we're gonna build the best ever hayride wagon. I mean, it's just what we're doing. Okay, here's the progress that we've made so far. We've clad down both sides in treated lumber 2x6s. Now we've got a cap board that's going to go on there. And then we're going to put 2x4 joists, decking supports, I don't know, whatever you call it. So that's sort of what we're doing. Good morning, September 23rd, and beautiful, wet, cloudy, sort of what you'd expect to see from September 23rd morning. And getting ready to unload the trailer over here. Got some lumber on it. Got a project happening over there with our hay wagon, but getting ready to go pick up some pumpkins. Last year when I went to pick up pumpkins, and the year before, my mom was with me. She's not with me this year. She's still here in my heart, but she's not with me. She would have enjoyed this autumn morning, I'm sure. So we're gonna get to it, head up to the auction, grab some pumpkins. Still beautiful weather here, October 4th. And I've got to finish this up this week because we've got our harvest party coming up. So I have to buy a few more of these Simpson strong ties to finish these out. Then I'll be able to start putting the deck on, put the sides on. I've got a flat tire to fix on that side. A lot of stuff to get done here in the next couple of days. So hopefully we'll get it done and we'll have a really good, safe time. Don't want any breakdowns on the hay wagon this year like we had last year. But coming along. I went with 2x4s, standing straight up. I have timber lock going through it. Then I have the Simpson strong ties that are tying them all in. And then we'll put the 16-foot long 5/4 by 6 up here. Put those across, put some boards on the outside, some rail, and have us a good time at the hayride. Hope we have this kind of weather next weekend. This is awesome. What are you doing?
Testing out this portable dance floor.
Portable dance floor. We're gonna have a dance off on the wagon.
On the wagon.
Like this, Mom. Let's say 6, 7.
Don't say that.
6, 7.
No, don't say it.
6, 7,
Don't say it.
Mom, say it.
Say it.
Mom.
9, 10.
Continuing with the build here, putting in posts for the sides, and you can see, we've cut out some spots through the boards. These I have lagged in with timber lock screws right into the main beams, squared them all up, got some angle on them to strengthen them up, and then they're braced actually, like from here to here. There's another 2x4 in there this way underneath, but I just covered it with this board. I gotta fasten it all down. I'll get some video on the other side when I do that over there without the board, so you can see what I'm doing. So overall, this is where we're at. And we got to put some rails on here, a top cap. This particular one we got doubled up in the center here because that would be the weakest point where the boards come together. So there's a 2x4 stud joist. It goes this way. These are tied into each. And at the top, I have it lagged from each side. So it's pretty sturdy. We'll see how it does here a little bit later. Okay, we're getting ready to, let me turn down the air here. We're getting ready to head out on a hay wagon ride, so you can see everyone back there. We're gonna head back and pick up some pumpkins. Beautiful day. See if everyone's ready to go.